Are people still copying data from documents into your system? Orders and requests arrive as forms and PDF email attachments. Someone opens each one and enters the data. For Sarah, this was every morning. A queue of documents waiting to be processed. It took hours. Time that could have been spent on work that matters. We worked with Sarah to build an AI workflow using her company's existing Microsoft tools. It monitors incoming documents, understands the content, and extracts data, even when layouts vary. Records are created directly in Dynamics 365. Now, up to 500 orders a week are processed automatically. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Sarah is still in control by validating each document. But the manual data entry, that's gone. If your team is still processing documents manually, there's a better way. Get in touch with ServerSys to see what's possible.